Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the new MacBook M5 and wow, this laptop is going to be crazy good. Apple is really taking things to the next level this time. So let's see what's new and why people are already so hyped about it. So first, let's talk about the chip. The new M5 chip is a super fast, like way faster than the old M31. It's made with this new 2 nanometer thing, which means it works faster but uses less power. Apple says it's around 40% faster and also saves more battery. That's awesome for people who do heavy stuff like video editing, gaming, or even big projects. The laptop won't get too hot and it will still run smooth. Now let's talk about the design. Apple didn't change too much, but it looks even better now. It's still slim and light, but maybe with new colors like midnight blue and titanium gray. The bezels are smaller too, so the screen looks bigger, and the keyboard feels softer and smoother when you type. There's even talk that the hinge opens more smooth now. The display is also getting a big upgrade. Apple might use the new Ultra Retina XDR display, which means super bright colors, more details, and maybe a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother motion. That's perfect for watching videos, editing, or even just rolling around. The screen might also go almost edge to edge, so it will look really modern. Now the battery life. It's crazy. People say the MacBook M5 might run up to 26 hours on one charge. That's like 2 full days without needing to charge. That's super good for travel, school, or work. Then we have ports and internet stuff. Apple could add Wi-Fi 7, which is faster and more stable. The Thunderbolt ports might also be upgraded to Thunderbolt 5, meaning you can connect more displays and transfer stuff faster. And yes, MagSafe charging is still there, so no worries if your cable pulls off by mistake. The coolest part might be the new AI features. The M5 chip has a better neural engine, which helps with the smart stuff like editing photos, writing, or using voice commands. With Mac OS 15, Apple is adding more AI tools, so your MacBook will basically do things faster and smoother for you. Now about the price and release date. Apple might show the MacBook M5 in early 2026, and the price could start from around $1,499. Yeah, it's a bit expensive, but honestly, if all this stuff is true, it might be totally worth it. So, what do you think? Will you upgrade to the new MacBook M5 or just keep your old one? Tell me in the comments below. And if you liked this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.